Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to enable music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to turn on music haptics on your iPhone on iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable music haptics on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, just scroll down and then click on accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to music haptics under hearing and then click on that. Then if this is disabled in your own case, that shows the music haptics is disabled. Now go ahead and turn this on, and that is going to turn on the music haptics on your iPhone. Now the essence of the music haptics is each time you are playing a song from the happy music on your iPhone, you'll be feeling the vibration in your hand. So you can just click on play sample to feel how the music haptics works. Then you'll be feeling the haptics of the music you are playing on the Apple Music app. And mark you can only use the music haptics feature on all the available apps here. So here you can see we only have app that supports music haptics, which is the Apple Music app. So you just need to go ahead now, open the music app on your iPhone on iOS 18, the music app, then open it and then start listening to your music, which is going to give you a feel of the music you are listening to. So that is basically how to turn on or enable music haptics on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.